Home-based Franchise Group offers its family of brands ongoing support, coaching, and tools like Jobber that help support you long after you get started. They stand as one of franchising's prominent leaders in the home service franchise sector, covering essential home services people truly need, from dryer vent cleaning and garage doors to biohazard cleanup, window film, and custom closets.
Before Jobber, we had about 40 locations. We have doubled our locations since then. If I could describe Jobber in one word, it would be convenient. It's convenient for our franchisees to use. The processes through Jobber, the workflow is very convenient. Jobber is easy to use. I have gotten that feedback. All of my franchisees use the quotes. I like in the quoting system that you can include pictures. We include our terms and conditions. We include what to expect on the day of install, warranties, anything. So the quote has more than just the price on there. Jobber helps streamline the process and keeps everybody on the same page. For me personally, the thing that I like the most is the reporting aspect. I can go and I can pull reports. I can check on all my franchisees. I can pull up my dashboard and see, where everybody's at as far as their leads, sales, all of that. So I use the dashboard and the reporting a lot.
Hey, I'm Dan Macarella with Dryer Vent Squad in Albany, New York, and I've been in business for 5 years. One of the greatest aspects of Jobber is that it's given me the opportunity to almost create time. I know it's impossible, but Jobber, by organizing a lot of the scheduling, invoicing, tracking my data, it really frees up your time and lets you focus on growth. It gives me the opportunity to utilize that time with my family, and that has been one of my most treasured aspects of being in business, and I appreciate the software system that made that happen for me.
Well, I would recommend it to any new franchise, new business. It's super easy to use, it's convenient, it's worth the value. I would totally recommend Jobber.